Hello everyone, my name is Arohi and welcome to my channel. So guys, in my today's video, I'll show you how you can use DeepSeek R1 model on your local computer. So today we are going to build a chatbot using LangChain, and in that chatbot, we will use this DeepSeek R1 model. So let's start. First thing is, open this ollama.com website, and from here you will download this Ollama. Why we are downloading Ollama? Because we are going to download this DeepSeek R1 model through this Ollama. So click on this download from here, and then from here you will pick the operating system you are using. So in my case it's Windows. Select Windows and then click on download for Windows. And when you'll click here, over here under downloads, you will see that the download has started. Once it gets downloaded, click here, and under your downloads you can see the setup. Now you'll click on it and the installation will start. I have already performed this step, so that's why I'm not performing. You just need to follow the on-screen instructions and your Ollama setup will be done. So once it's done, now open command prompt. Okay. So open command prompt, and here you will write Ollama and hit enter. If you're seeing this kind of screen, that means your Ollama is successfully installed. Here we will write a command using which our DeepSeek R1 model will be installed. And for that, what you can do is just go back to this Ollama page only. This page, okay, ollama.com, this page, and here you can see that run Llama 3.3, DeepSeek R1, and different models they have written here. So these all are LLM model. This DeepSeek R1 is a LLM model. So now if you click here, you will be redirected to this page. So DeepSeek R1 have different variants. Here you can see if you click on this arrow, so 1.5 billion model, 7 billion model, 8 billion model, like this. So the final one is 671 billion model. So guys, this is the model 671 billion model, which is getting compared to OpenAI's O1 model, and the size of this model is 404 GB. That means you need a lot of RAM to support this model. So we are not running this model today. We will run the model which have less parameters. So let's say we can run this 7 billion parameter model, and this will take only 4.7 GB space. Okay, the size of this model is 4.7 GB. So today we will download this 7 billion model and we will use this model in our LangChain. Okay, so now how to use it, how to get this model. So you can see the command over here, Ollama run DeepSeek-R1. Just copy this command from here, go to your Ollama prompt. Remember over here, just paste this command and hit enter. You will see the processor started. See, now this model is downloaded. Now we can ask question to it. Let's start with hi only. So I've written hi, and this is the response from the model. Now let's ask it another question. What is quantum computing? And see, I have asked this question, and this is the reply from the model. So now our DeepSeek R1 model is with us. Now we will write a LangChain code which will use this model. So let's start that. Now guys, before starting the practical implementation, we have to install few modules which are required to run our today's code. So for that, first you will install this pip install upgrade LangChain Ollama. So guys, if you want to use this Ollama with LangChain, then you need to install this module. So you will write this command and you will hit enter. I'm not performing this because I've already performed. So this is the first command. After that, you also need to install LangChain and LangChain community. So you can install that by writing this command pip install upgrade LangChain community. So all these commands are mentioned in the description section. You can get these commands from there and you can execute. Okay, so this is the second step. After that, we will also install Streamlit because we want to make a chatbot, and using Streamlit you can create web applications. So write pip install Streamlit and hit enter. So guys, these are the three modules which you needed. Now we have everything installed which we need for our today's class. Now I'm showing you the versions which I'm using. So first of all, let's see the Python version. So Python version is 3.10.11, and now let me show you the LangChain version. LangChain version is 0.3.15. And guys, I'm running this code on NVIDIA's RTX 3090 GPU, which has 24 GB of RAM. Now let's start the code. First, I'm importing all the required modules. So we are importing for prompt, we are importing this module, and we are importing Ollama because we will use this DeepSeek R1 model from Ollama. That's why we are writing like this. And we are importing Streamlit because we are going to create a chatbot, a web application chatbot. And for that, we are using Streamlit framework. So this is how you can provide the title to your Streamlit app, st.title. And then this is the title of my app. First of all, let's save this file. So file, and let's save it over here. Demo, and just save it using .py. And here I'm saving. Okay. So I have this file with the name of demo.py file. And this is the title of my Streamlit app. And then this is what I'm writing, template. So this template I want to use, user's question will be here. And then this is how the prompt will work. Okay. So from chat prompt template, see, so this chat prompt template, we are providing our template, this template. Okay. And we want to use which model? We want to use DeepSeek R1 model. From where we want to use this DeepSeek R1 model? From Ollama. In the same way, if you want to use some other models, like if you want to use Llama 3.1 or 3.2, then you can write that name over here. So in our today's class, we are using DeepSeek R1. So like this, you will write, and then just create a chain, means prompt, whatever prompt we will have. So this is our prompt, right? And in this prompt, we are going to have a user's question. That question will go to the model, and our model is DeepSeek R1. Then model will answer the query. Here, this is the question. st.chat input means this will give you an input box where user will enter the question. And if question means if user entered the question, then st.write means streamlit.write. We are calling this chain, and we are providing the question to it. So how this chain will work, this question will take this question, and then model will provide the answer, and that answer using this st.write, we are showing that answer on the screen. So that's it, guys. This is a simple code. Now let's try to run it. Save this file first. Now I'll enter in the folder where this code is, and then I'll run. So my code is in cd. Here I have this code. So now run Streamlit, run, and the file name. So guys, I have entered in the folder where my code is. You can see here. So in this folder, we have our code. So I have entered in the folder, and then to run this code, we will write Streamlit, run, and the file name, and hit enter. And here is our app. Now we can ask question to it. So let's start by writing hi. See, first it is showing us the thinking process, because this DeepSeek R1 model, how it works, it shows you the thinking process of the model, and then it shows you the reply. So when I asked hi, so this is the reply this model gave it to me, but after thinking it. So this is the thinking process of the model. All right, someone just asked hi. So that's pretty straightforward. I should respond in a friendly and approachable way, and means after thinking, this is the reply. Now we can ask another question. Let's say we are asking what is quantum computing. So this is my question. Now again, model will first show the thinking process, and then it will show you the answer. So the thinking starts here, and where this tag will end, the thinking process will end there, and scroll down, and finally let's see the answer which we got. So this is the answer we got. Key concepts, everything we got over here. So guys, this is how you can use DeepSeek R1 with LangChain to create chatbots. So the link of this code is given in description section. You can get this code, and I hope this video is helpful. And guys, if you like my content, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.